Thought for the day, Thursday, August the 29th. Start again. Start over. This should be my slogan every day. Start over. It does not mean that things are going well when everything is going smoothly, but when sad or happy, healthy or sick, we offer everything to the Lord, trying to be another Him. Pauline phrase, I say only this, forgetting the path I have traveled, I rush forward and run towards the goal. Philippians 3:15 is wonderful, and each word of it must be deeply savored. There are some who, in fact, forget the past, but do not set out, much less think about the goal. There are those who forget the past and always start over, but the one who forgets and sets out towards the goal is only the saint, like St. Paul, whom has been gifted with an unusual charisma. Let us also try to do the same. From the diary of Chiara Lubich, November the 9th, 1965, in Back to the Present, Ciudad Nueva. We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.